How to add WhatsApp or Messenger button to Facebook page. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to add WhatsApp or Messenger button to Facebook page. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch Facebook and then you need to simply come back to the home section of Facebook. Tap menu icon in top right. Select the arrow next to your profile and then you need to open your Facebook page. Now select the three-line menu icon in top right corner. Then tap on your Facebook page. Here you need to select the three dots next to Advertise button and then select Edit Action button. So here you can add one or two buttons shown on your page to help people contact you, support you or link to your website or app. You can select Edit buttons and then choose Send WhatsApp message, or you can easily set up an email button for a direct email contact. Include a contact us button that links to your website. Once selected, you simply need to tap on the Save button at bottom of your screen. And then you have successfully saved the button configuration. When you come back, you can easily find out the WhatsApp or Messenger button on Facebook page. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.